sailed from New York Harbor in the spring of '15, a mighty ship of silver pride, the grandest ever seen, with laughter on her upper decks and dreams below her hold. She crossed the wide Atlantic, brave, majestic, bold. Oh, Lusitania, proud and free, you carried souls across the sea. But beneath the waves where cold winds wail, your story's carved in sorrow's tale. The clouds were calm, the sea was fair, off Ireland's emerald shore. But shadows moved beneath the waves, the drums of silent war. A periscope, a flash of light, a torpedo's deadly sound, and in a breath the peace was gone, the ocean pulled her down. Oh, Lusitania, proud and free, you carried souls across the sea. But beneath the waves where cold winds wail, your story's carved in sorrow's tale. Mothers crying, children gone, the water's icy roar. 700 souls survived, but 1,000 more no more. The world stood still, the news went wide, a warning dressed in flame. And from your grave the echoes rose, the war would never be the same. Oh, Lusitania, proud and free, you carried hope across the sea. But the guns of men, they sealed your fate, and history weeps beneath your weight. Now every tide that sweeps that shore still hums your mournful tune of innocence and iron pride that met their end too soon. Rest easy in the ocean deep, your memory remains, Lusitania, forever bound to the sea's eternal chain.